Removing yellowing, it's a step that I do in almost all my restorations. Almost every single pair of beaters that walks in through my door has some sort of yellowing. It's a simple process, but there's a lot more to it. In this video, we're gonna go in depth on how to properly remove the yellowing from the rubber off your soles. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at these dunks. Judging from the bottom of these soles, they are super worn, they are super yellow, they've definitely gotten a lot of wear and tear, so it only makes sense that these soles have gotten yellow. So you can see on the sides, they are super dingy yellow. It just gets worse and worse all around. Over here, that's the original blue. The rest of the sole is super oxidized. It has a green grayish tint to that. That looks wrong all around. Using Salon Care 40, we're gonna get that back to its original color. Salon Care 40 does contain a lot of harsh chemicals, so we only want to use it on the rubber areas of the shoe. We do not want to get it on the uppers. We'll touch on that in just a bit. Like I was saying, Salon Care 40 contains some really harsh chemicals, so you want to avoid getting it on your skin. It's happened to me at least a million times where I got it on my hands. It gives me chemical burns and it irritates my skin so bad. So in those situations, what you want to do is wash your hands. The best situation you want to do is simply wear gloves. Thank you, strange hands. Good to go, we're all protected. And the next thing we're gonna do is a little bit of taping. Over here on our elephant print, it is way too close to the rubber. If we slip up and get any of the Salon Care 40 onto this area, it'll completely ruin it. It'll give it a stain, and if you go put it in the sun and it sits out there way too long, the Salon Care 40 will eat away at the material. So we wanna avoid that by simply taping. Now, all right, so I gotta put tape on first though. Alright guys, elephant print is fully protected. Now it's time to apply our Salon Care 40. For this step, we're gonna break up the Salon Care 40 application into 3 parts. The reason why I'm doing this is because each side needs to be under direct sunlight. Thank you, Shelly. Not gonna lie guys, this sucks, but let's get to work. So what we're gonna do right now is simply apply a nice thin layer of Salon Care 40 all around the sole, so then we can spread it out using a paintbrush. Salon Care 40 is looking good, getting it nice and spread all around. As we can see on the white upper, we did not tape that off, so we want to be very careful when spraying the Salon Care 40 in these areas. Same thing with this back piece, you guys. Just because the tape is there, we do not want to depend on it. It's just there as a backup in case my paintbrush slips up. All right, that's good to go. Time to apply our saran wrap. What this does for us is that it helps keep the Salon Care 40 wet. If we don't apply it and we go put it in the sun, within 5 minutes, this will dry up and it will do nothing for the shoe. Good to go with this step, you guys. Looks good. This is honestly a super simple step, but it can be very tricky. When you apply the saran wrap, you want to make sure you keep it all in one place. Once you set it down, you don't want to move it. If you move it onto the uppers, the Salon Care 40 is going to spread onto the uppers and potentially ruin the shoe, so be very careful with this step. So we're good to go. Let's go ahead and put these outside onto the sun. Good to go with the first side, you guys. As you can see, that blue is back to blue. It matches the sock liner. We got rid of that nasty, ugly green tint that was on this side. Same thing with the white. We got rid of that dingy yellow. It's a little dirty, but I'll touch that up later. What we're gonna do now is do the exact same thing we did on this side over here. Go. Let's go back outside. Good to go with side number 2. As you can see, the blue's back to blue, the white's back to white. We're good to go. Now for the third side, we're gonna do the exact same thing and put them back in the sun. All right, let's go put these back under the sun. All right, you guys, we're good to go with the bottom side of the sole. All 3 sides are done. All in all, this took about 3 hours, 1 hour for each side under direct sunlight. Let's go ahead and remove this. Check that out, you guys. We get the soles back to white, the blues back to blue. I am super happy with these results. For this shoe, I use the sun. It works great. I live in Phoenix, Arizona, where the sun is always shining bright, but it is getting super hot out here. In the next few weeks, it's gonna get up to 110 degrees, and at that point, I can no longer leave them outside because they will melt. In that situation, that's when I'm gonna bring out my indoor setup. If you guys want to see more content on the indoor setup, I will be building a brand new one on our channel, so stay tuned and stay subscribed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys do this process at home, and if you guys do, don't forget, wear gloves. Catch you guys next time.